Lights are on, no dash lights. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video on Vinny, our 2004 Vivaro that we've had for a while now and done plenty of things to, and it is pretty mucky. I know it looks shiny, but it's not. Anyway, sorry I'm waffling already. That's a bad start. Reason I'm doing this video is because I found a problem. I don't know if it's common, but basically, I'll show you in a sec, but if your dash lights aren't working with your headlights on, check, all right? I'll just show you exactly what I mean. So, headlights are on. We go inside. You can see that the headlights are on. We have no dash lights, which, you know, may not be an issue, but go around to the back of the van. No rear lights at all. Nothing. So ultimately, if I give that stick a wiggle, we can sometimes just wiggling the stick. There we go. So now they're on. I've done nothing else, and we have tail lights and number plate light. So if your dash lights stop working, I mean, a couple of times they've gone off. I thought, oh, yeah, whatever. But my back lights weren't working. So if they do stop working, it's an indication that your back lights aren't working. It can be quite dangerous. So basically, what appears to be happening is you turn your side lights on first. Obviously, turns your side lights on, and the rear lights and everything, and your dashboard lights, and then when you go the next level, that just controls your headlights. So if your dash lights are going off, it means that all your side lights are going off, even though, because your headlamps are on, you won't be able to see anything on that one anyway. You wouldn't be able to see that your side lights are on. Does that make any sense? I do apologise if it doesn't. Anyway, way we're going to solve it is with a new stick. So we've got this from, well, it's a Ridex unit, and it's from Automotive. So we ordered one of these. You can't see it very well. There's a couple different versions. Mine hasn't got rear wiper. I think the wiper's on this side, is it? No, it'd be on the other side. I don't know. Anyway, check that it's the right one for yours. And yeah, I think this is about £20 delivered. So yes, let's chuck it on and make sure it works. I've just taken the packaging off so you can see it. Of course, it wouldn't be rear wipers. It would probably be another part for front fogs, maybe. But yeah, there we go. So we've got to start in here, obviously. Got to take this cowl off, which is held with some, hope you can see it there. There's two T20 screws up in there in the cobwebs. So we need to undo them, and also, before we start, we need to pull the steering column as far back as we can, and then we'll have to wiggle it around. I'll set you up over there on a little tripod and we'll see what we can do. So we'll start by pulling this out as far as it will go, and then undo the screws. Now we've got that off, we need to press two clips. There's a clip there, hoping you can see that one, and there's one, let's say, underneath, which you can't see. There's a clip there as well. So we've got to squeeze those two clips and then pull it out, and then pull the cable off. And then this plug, just push it in slightly, then pull these and then pop it out. That's it. Old one removed. We just eye these up together and they look as similar as they can be. That's the two clips there that you've got to squeeze in, but you can only see the very ends of them. All you can see is that end of it. But that's the two clips you're squeezing. Let's chuck that one back in. So we've got the new one, so we're just going to plug it in. And then line it up and pop it in there. That's it. Well, that's very positive, isn't it? Excellent. I think we need to give that a little bit of a clean out before we put it all back on, don't you? Mine had one of these little clips missing, so I found one in my box. So that's what the screws go all the way through and catch on. And I've also just taken the OBD reader cover off so I can get onto that little bar there. Hoping you can see that little bar. So let's try and put it back together. Right, so that's all back together. So let's try it. So we've got sides, main, and yeah, fiddling with that seems good. Blinkers and fog. Awesome. There we go. That's the new Stalk all fitted. Not too bad a job really. Don't need many tools, just a couple of little screwdrivers and a T20. It's a bit awkward with one of them, and luckily I found a wee bit set, so that was fine, and the replacement stalk thingy. So yes, all good, and it seems to work fine. Obviously it's a bit safer now, which is good. Right, I think that's about it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming on a little Vinny journey again, and I hope it was of some use to you. Check us out on Instagram, Larcs_workshop, and I hope to see you next time on, might be another one of them. You never know. Cheers then. I don't know how well you can see, but that is me turning the lights on and off. Can you see those bits? So potentially this could come apart and maybe be repaired. Not something I'm going to do now, but might save you a few quid if you can. You can't see nothing. That is oh, what about if we did that? Is that better? Oh, I don't know. You can't even see me. Oh dear. Let's try this with the lights on. And I'm really waffling on. I might have to cut this about somehow. Don't know. I can't put it back in.